All right, let's take a look. You've done the work, you've completed everything in the learning module, and you got a notification with the little bell up here that you got a grade. So how do you find out about your grades? So you can do it either in assignments or grades. So if you go under assignments, and let's say you've turned in this consulting report, which is due this week, it would say submitted, it would have your score here, it would have whether it's scored or not scored. And if you click on the actual assignment, it will tell you how you were scored. This is what's called a rubric if you've never seen one before. So these are the three criteria for these rubric, and this is your scoring, whether it was you knocked it out of the park, you were proficient, so you hit all the points, but you could have put just a little bit more polish on it, whether you need some improvement in certain areas, or whether you just completely missed a point altogether. And then below it will be comments from me, and then there will also be some additional comments as well, kind of an overall comment that you'll see. Now, my suggestion on how to do any assignment at SNHU. If you follow this, um, you will get an A, I would say 99.9% of the time. Uh, Use the rubric as your outline. Can't stress it enough. So what I'm asking you to do here is differences between functional areas and departments or units or business units. So you need to have clear proficiency. Your explanation needs to be clear. It needs to be insightful. It needs to be sophisticated, and it needs to be creative, right? So if you just define it and tell me what it is, this will be where you would fall, right? So if you define it, but you have errors in how you defined it, this would be where you fall. So if you define it and you do it in a very sophisticated with good business acumen, this will be the grade you receive. Same thing for the second item, right? So how are various functional areas, departments, or business units connected? Same thing. You analyze, the various functional areas, departments, or business units together, or you do it in a very sophisticated, well-rounded business acumen way. Articulation of response. What I'm looking here for is good English skills. They don't have to be great. I was not an English major by any means, but and I'll do another 2 or 3 minute video in this section. There needs to be a cover page, and your works need to be properly cited. And how do you cite works of paper? We use the APA format. I will just do a quick video on that one as well, but that's key in that area. So just good grammar skills, do a proofreading, do a spell check, please, cover page, reference sheet, and citations, and you'll be perfectly fine in that area. So I hope this helps with the grading section. Speak with you soon.